class. Today we will learn compound interest. Now, before learning this compound interest, you must be knowing the difference between these two, simple interest and compound interest. So simple interest, it is based on the principal amount of loan. So it is calculated by using this formula, principal into rate into time divided by 100. Now here you have to keep this in mind, that whatever is the time period given, you can use over here in case of simple interest. But in compound interest, it is based on principal amount and the accumulated interest. That means this is nothing but the principal plus interest on the interest. Now, in order to calculate this compound interest, in case of yearly problems, we got this formula. Number one is interest means amount minus principal. As we have already learned in simple interest, amount means principal interest, principal plus interest, and interest means amount minus principal. And amount is given by the formula P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, where P is principal, R is the rate of interest, Ci is the compound interest, and n is the time period, and A is the amount. Now compound interest is given by the formula Ci equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1. So how we are getting this? We are getting this from this formula, using this formula, amount minus principal. Amount is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus P. So this principal gets, this is common. So when we take this out, so you get 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1. So similarly, we get problems based on half yearly and quarterly also. So now let's move to the next section of this chapter. Now in case of half yearly, there will be slight change in the formula. Amount will be principal into 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2n, and compound interest will be principal into 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2n minus 1. Now here, in case of half yearly, 1 year, it has been divided into two parts, 6 months and 6 months. So 1 year means 2 half years. So the time period we will multiply by 2, and the rate we divide by 2. Here in the previous formula you had 100. Now if you multiply by 2, it will be 200. And similarly, in case of quarterly, again you find slight change in the formula. Here you got 4 and multiplied by 4 power 4n, and here again you get the same. Now 1 year, it has been divided in the interval of 3 months. So 3 3 3 3 12. So that means 1 year, it has been divided into 4 parts. So 4 quarter years. So 1 year is divided into 4 parts. So that's why time period is multiplied by 4 and the rate is divided by 4. Now if we take 4 months interval, then 1 year will be divided into 4 plus 4 plus 4. It will be divided into 3 parts. So here you'll find the formula as 1 plus P into 1 plus R by 300 to the power 3n. So it has been divided into 3 parts. So again, compound interest also will be principal into 1 plus R by 300 to the power 3n minus 1. So here you have to use these formulas according to the question. So you have to check the question, so whether it is yearly, half yearly, quarterly, or you have to take 4 months interval.